And an investment into your marriage is not a wasted time. There are many things that is distracting you that you can do later. This one is a good investment to your future and your children's future. All right? We have a book here, all year round for men, all year round for women. We coach men and women how to show love to each other. Again, that's another good book. Then the books I will reference today is How to Know If He or She Loves You, because I'm talking about love. Then on that one titled Common Love Lies that can stop you from finding true love. So those are the textbooks for this particular one. There's one here titled Who Should I Marry? This one always makes me laugh. Who should I marry? The average young person doesn't know how to articulate what they want in a spouse. Hey, when you ask the young girl, what do you want to marry? Say, you must be tall. In fact, the way they say it now is 6'6". 6 packs, 6 feet, 6 figures. 66. Those things don't determine who a good man is. Who should I marry? Very important. I broke down how the things to actually articulate in picking a spouse. If you're a Christian, the first C is that the person must be in Christ. Marry another Christian. Second C, that the person must have a Christian character. Some people are Christians, they don't have Christian character. Just because you made them in church doesn't mean you should marry them. Sleeping in a garage doesn't make you a car. Somebody can become the church and not be a Christian or not have a Christian lifestyle. So number one, the person must be in Christ. Number two, the person must have the godly. If you are writing your list, ladies, please, and guys, if you are writing your list, you should know what to articulate. It pains me. The average young person desperately praying for marriage has no clue what he wants. He must be tall. How does tall help any marriage? Never seen any marriage that is working for 30 years. So what's your secret? Sir, my husband's height. It's helping us. Never. But the average young girl, tall enters first 10. Tall should not make first 10. In your list, if you know what to look out for in marriage, tall can come in at 19, 20, all those kind of number. It can't make top 10. It must be tall. Instead of tall, choose tolerant. So it must be a fine man. No, it's a faithful man you want. Faithful man is better than a fine man. Are you here, somebody?